बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी, मीनिंग एंड डेफिनेशन ऑफ एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी। Education technology. Eric Ashby, 1967, has identified four revolutions in education. The first revolution occurred when the task of educating the young was shifted, in part from parents to teacher, and from the home to the school. The second came with the adoption of the written words as a tool of education. The third came with the inventions of the printing press and books. The fourth revolution with the advent of electronics and development in communication. According to Ashby, any technology which increased the rate of learning would enable the teacher to teach less and the learner to learn more. Eric Ashby, meaning of education technology. First, meaning of educational technology. Education technology is a science on the basis of which various strategies and tactics could be designed for the realization of specified goals. Education technology involves 4 steps. Functional analysis of the teaching learning process to identify the various components which operates at the stage of input to that of the output, to explore the various functions of these components, to observe the effect of manipulating the various components and their functions in the field, to translate all these research findings into some kind of guidelines for a practitioner. Second meaning of educational technology. Second meaning of educational technology is the mechanization of educational process. The mechanization is done in all the 3 processes of human knowledge. Preservation of knowledge. First, knowledge was orally transmitted by teachers to their students, but with the advent of printing machine, knowledge is preserved in books. Transmission of knowledge. A large number of students sitting at far distant places can be taught with the help of radio and television. The Open University corresponding education are the major contribution of this innovation. Advancement of human knowledge. The functions of research processes is to advance new knowledge. The scientific researches are encouraged in the present time because their findings are based on the collection of data. Then, definition of educational technology. Education is the development of the power of adaptation to an ever changing social and environment. Education, it is a science of doing, getting things done related to any art or science. Education technology is concerned with the development, application, and evaluation of systems, technologies, and rates to improve the process of human learning. According to G.M. Leith, education technology is a systematic application of scientific knowledge about teaching, learning, conditions of learning to improve the efficiency of teaching and training. It is in the absence of scientifically established principles, educational technology implements techniques of empirical testing to improve learning situations. Then scope of education technology are informative functions, calculative functions, concept development, performance improvement, development of interest. So this is our topic. Thank you so much.